We've been married 20 years. We're gonna survive this. No, seriously, I'm serious. 20 years and 6 months. And about 18 days.
Meet the Robinsons. Keith and Rhonda want a refreshed look for their upstairs bathroom, which is old and outdated. They plan to do most of the work themselves, but they call in a designer to help with the tricky bits. That's where I come in.
So the bathroom needs a makeover, nothing too major, just a new mirror and paint and light and fan and things like that.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's extreme.
So it needs a refresh,
That's probably a good word of what we'd be looking for.
a facelift,
Somewhat.
a makeover.
A little bit.
It needs some help.
A little bit.
Yeah. So I'm excited about this because I like to pick out paint colors.
Yeah, it's not going to be difficult.
Shopping is fun.
I mean, it's everything I think I can handle myself without bringing in a professional. So I'm feeling confident with that. So I think we can do it.
Because the bathroom doesn't need a major makeover, they're keeping their budget fairly low.
Between 200 and 250, maybe 300 max. I think we can do it under $300. I think we can. And we're going to pretty much do all the work ourselves, you know. So
We hit some home improvement stores to get an idea of what lights they would like in their bathroom. Plus, we got to pick out some paint chips.
So we would like some type of gray for the walls and a nice bright white for the trim. And right now the ceiling is this strange peachy tan color, so that needs to be whitish. And I don't know yet what color the shower curtain and rugs are going to be. Okay, so in our bathroom, you see the sink, the toilet, the tub, we think are all fine. The floor is
Yeah, I like this floor.
okay for now.
It's
Okay.
pretty neutral. It should go with most colors.
Okay, that's good. But what I really don't like is the color of the wall and the fact that it matches the ceiling.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's like a box. It's like being in a box. And then the mirror, as you can see, it's just, it's had better
it
days.
has no design.
No style.
No.
I think you definitely need a smaller one.
And the light fixture, I'd like to switch out. That's looking a little dated to me.
Yeah, there's paint on it.
There's a lot of paint on it. I'd like to do something with this window here, something more attractive than blinds.
Do you have any ideas for the colors?
For the colors, I'm kind of looking at a neutral gray. That way, perhaps we could do an accent color with like the rugs and the shower curtain. That's what I'd really like to do. I do have one other concern, and that's this fan
It
light.
has a crack in it.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
So, have you picked out anything?
Well, I've been looking around. I have some ideas, especially for this fixture up here, but I'm concerned about size and weight and things like that.
Do you have any ideas for your mirror?
Yes, I definitely have ideas for the mirror and also for the light fixture.
Okay. I know you're not keeping this rug, but a lot of the colors in this might look good on the wall. I think the thing you need in this room is colors that can tie everything together. Because you have a random green rug, you have this rug with lots of neutral colors in it, you have this cardboard color on the walls. The mirror needs more accent to it. I'm excited to get to work, and I hope you like the finished product.
Oh, we will.
So I just met with the Robinsons. They have a great family, and I'm very excited to get in here and touch up their space. They're looking for a little renovation for their two daughters' bathroom. So my goal is to make the walls neutral, make the rugs more fun to tie the space together. Also the shower curtain, the same thing. Like they just have a bunch of random colors in it. So I'm trying to pick out some colors maybe from the old rugs I have over here, because that's a lot of neutral ones. We've kind of talked about some paint colors we might like, and Miss Robinson said she liked a neutral gray for the walls, and I think that's a fine idea. and it'll be easy to tie the space together. One thing they really want is new light fixtures. That's something they definitely need. The mirror definitely needs a touch-up because it really has no frame and it looks just too big for the space. So I'm excited to get in and touch the space up and tie it all together and make it more fun and make it more inviting. I'm excited for this and I hope they really love it. I'm really excited.
It's time to demolish.
Now,
the
can we
fan.
start tearing up something?
Yeah.
So, the first item in the bathroom is we're going to take down the old bath fan light combo, which you might want to look at it because it's kind of nasty. And in fact, this is what started the whole thing, was this bath fan. And we got a new one to put in that's actually smaller than this one, but we're going to make it work. So this is the first item of business. Let's try to get this old down. Okay, fan and light combination had been installed. It was not easy, but we're going to turn it on. You ready? Look how nice and bright it is. Now, the light is very nice. I would highly recommend LED. Wow, that thing is nice. So scale 1 to 10. If 1 is the easiest and 10 is the most difficult, I'm going to probably say like 6 to 7. It's not like it just went right up in there. It took forever trying to get things to fit, but I'm actually pleased with it. I would actually need to sit down and write down a list of things that did not work very well. The old fan had no vent attached to it. The moisture and air was just being blown into the attic. So I didn't even attach a vent because for 25 years there ain't been one. But the problem is the attachment that you put the vent on would not go up in the hole because there's a 2x4 running across here to support the duct. So it wouldn't even go in there. So I had to take that 4-inch plastic, kind of that plastic piece off, and we was in a big old hole, square hole. Now the air just going to go up in that. The second issue was trying to mount the box into the existing hole. Caused a lot of headache. I've got a gap of probably 1/8 of an inch or so of the old hole because everything's kind of offset that way against the rafter. It didn't quite cover the hole with the base. So I'm going to work on that when it gets to the painting and I'll find some way to patch that. So anyway, it's done.